Thanks for watching Wise Monkey. Please share and subscribe. Subscribe for a future grand prize. Today we'll show the idle boost control valve in Honda engines. This is the H series Honda's engine, H22A or A4, something like that. And it is not installed. This is the right side, exhaust side. This is the intake manifold. So the idle air bypass valve is called, or idle air boost control, I think it's called, boost controller. That's actually located right here. This is the vacuum box, and right there. So right under the intake manifold. It's when the engine is installed, it's kind of difficult to access that. It's very tight. So from this side, this is the boost control. This thing broke actually, so it goes here, and other end of this goes to this valve, which has a electrical connector right here. The electrical connector is actually A17 in the ECU. If you're using P13, I think P13 ECU is A17, that the positive goes from here, and the other wire is to the sensor ground, A26 or something, or D16. Now, often we wonder what's the use of this thing. So the boost control actually stabilizes the idle if the car has the air conditioner, and as soon as the air conditioner kicks in, it stabilizes the idle. Because the air conditioner kicks in, the idle drops. If your idle is set at car is just idling at 750, idle drops to 700 or 650, and car almost stalls. So the boost controller actually has the other vacuum hose that this one comes to this diaphragm. It's the vacuum diaphragm. So right here, this vacuum port comes to this vacuum diaphragm, and this vacuum diaphragm, as soon as it's activated, it's like a mini throttle plate here inside. Amazing technology Honda has. So this one, normally this will not work. Normally it has no function until the air conditioner kicks in. So if you don't have an air conditioner, or don't use it, or it doesn't work, this is just dormant. It's not working. Sometimes actually this vacuum diaphragm leaks and then causes an idle surge. So in this one, because there is not going to keep any air conditioner, so what we're going to do is we can take it out. So two 10mm bolts, I think. One is here from the bottom, another is here, 10mm, probably 12mm from the bottom, 12 and 12mm on this side. Takes this one out. If you want to completely take it out, then take this one out and just plug this vacuum hose. You can cut it and put a ball bearing, tiny ball, metal ball bearing inside that will lock this thing, the vacuum hose. So as this one, you can just open this and put a ball bearing, then it's locked. The other option, many people, what they did is just take this hose, the other end, off from here and then plug it back in here. So this one goes to this one. So they are connected within themselves. This box can be seated anywhere. You can even take it out and put it on the side of the firewall, clamp it down there, extend the vacuum hoses and run it from there. It's easier to replace or monitor this sensor here. This sensor. If this box has crack, then it's useless. It's a vacuum box. Here this is broken. So this is a check valve, one-way check valve. There are two. They have to be there. So this is all about the idle air controller or bypass. And so if you want to take it off, block it here, block it there with tiny metal ball bearings, or just cap it like if you have this kind of cap. I'll actually try to give some link of items that you can buy for this kind of little projects in the description of the video, so check those, it may help. So this is a Honda H series H22 engine, and the idle air controller can be eliminated if you don't use air conditioner. Other way to use, even if you have air conditioner and don't want to keep this, you can simply increase the idle slightly higher. Set the idle higher so that when the air conditioner kicks in, this will not, the engine will not stumble. To do that, this is the intake manifold. This is the screw. Once the car is nice and warm, fan worked out fine, and turn on the headlights, air conditioner on, everything on, then you can actually clockwise will reduce the idle. If you move it clockwise, if you move it anti-clockwise, it will open the idle. Ideally, take this out and clean it a little bit, then put this screw back in. That's better, so that the passage is clean. I'll actually show how to clean the throttle body and all this properly in little detail of all these other sensors and their usefulness. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe, and hope this video helps, and like it, and if you like it. So that's for now.